In this video tutorial, I am going to download and install NetBeans on Windows 10. After installing NetBeans, I will show you how you can write your first Hello World Java program. So let's get started. In the Google, you can search download NetBeans and click on the download page. Visit netbeans.apache.org front main. Visit netbeans.apache.org/front/main/index.html and here you will find the download option for NetBeans. The current version of NetBeans is Apache NetBeans 22. Click on download and here we have the different options for downloading the NetBeans. bin.zip, Windows x64.exe and others, and there is a Linux snap package as well. Since we are downloading it for Windows, so we will click on Apache NetBeans 22 bin Windows -x64.exe. Click on this link and download is started. Total download size is 477 MB. It is downloaded and now I will click on the exe file. Apache NetBeans IDE installer is starting. Now it is installing the Apache NetBeans. The total installation size is 990.5 MB and this is the IDE for Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, HTML5, JavaScript Development and PHP. Click Next for the installation. Read out the license agreement and click Accept the terms in the license agreement. Now click Next. You can also change the installation directory, but for this installation I will leave the default directory as it is. Click Next and install. Apache NetBeans IDE is successfully installed. Now we will click on Finish. To start, go to the programs and search for Apache NetBeans IDE and click on this icon. So NetBeans is starting, and this is a nice GUI of Apache NetBeans. We will click on new project and simply the Java project, Java application. Click next. My first project and click on finish. It is creating the pom.xml. So by default it is just creating a Maven based Java project. So by default it created a file, is a class file, my first project, and inside this we have method public static void main string args, and here it is simply printing the hello world message. To run you click here, run project, and this is compiling the Java file, and it is compiled and successfully printed the hello world message. I want to print the current date. For this I will write new java.util.date and save the program and run it. So now it should print the current date as well. So it is printing the hello world message, and in second line it is printing the current date. So in this tutorial I showed you how you can install the Apache NetBeans IDE 22 on Windows 10 and create a simple hello world program which prints the hello world message, and we also added code to print the current date. In NetBeans you can create many different types of project. So we have Java project with Maven, and these are the different options: Java with Gradle, Java with Ant, HTML CSS Java project, C++, PHP, and these are the different samples for each project type. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.